With DMR rapidly gaining popularity in amateur radio, I thought I'd take a moment to create a tutorial targeted at less experienced hams who've downloaded a code plug from the internet and want to add a talk group that isn't already in their radio. For this tutorial, I'm going to add the Ohio Statewide Aries talk group, which has a talk group number of 31395, to my local repeater. I'm using the MD380 CPS because that happens to be a really popular radio for DMR. Your CPS may be different, but that's okay. Most of the terminology is the same. So we've got a few things we have to do here. The first thing is we're going to create a contact. Because remember, in DMR, when you key up, you're making a call to a contact. So I'm going to go ahead and hit add here. I'm going to call this Ohio ARES. It's a group call, and the talk group ID is 31395. Once I've got that in there, I can close out of this window. The next step is to create a receive group list, and you can see that I've already got a number in here. I expand the digital RX group lists folder and click on any one of them and hit add. That creates a brand new group list. I'm going to call the group list Ohio ARES, and I'm simply going to add one contact to it, and that is the Ohio ARES talk group that I just created. Now I can go ahead and close this window. We're going to scroll up and minimize this folder. The next step is to create a channel. So I'm going to expand the channel's information folder. I'm going to scroll to the bottom here, but you can click on any channel and press add. We'll go ahead and set it as a digital channel. Now this is the Warrensville Heights repeater, which just happens to be the one that's closest to me, so we're going to choose the Warrensville scan list. We're going to name the channel WRH Ohio ARES, just to be consistent with the rest of the naming. The frequency is going to be 442.0875. The transmit frequency will be 447.0875. We're going to change our admit criteria to color code. I'm then going to go over and select a contact, and that contact just happens to be last in the list. The contact is going to be set to Ohio ARES. I'm also going to select my Ohio ARES group list. Now in this example, that talk group is carried on time slot 2, and this repeater uses color code 1. That's all you have to configure for the channel. So we'll go ahead and close that out now, and we'll minimize our channel folder. The last step is I have to add it to a zone. So I'm going to add it to the Warrensville Heights zone. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Select Warrensville Heights, Ohio Aries. Click Add. And that is now the last channel in that zone. I can close out of this. And now I can write the radio.